Hey guys, it's Hannah here, and today I have a very exciting unboxing and review that I wanted to share with you. So, you might already know what it is based on what's right here in front of me. I ordered a Papergang box, and it is by Oh Dear. This is a British company, I believe. I know that it ships from England, I think. And it's the #1 most bought stationery box in Europe, and I think I've heard of it before, but I haven't actually bought one. So they had a really great deal. You could get your first box for 50% off, so I thought let's try it out at least, because this theme, I really like the colors and they came with some pretty cool stuff, so I'm really excited. But yeah, I'm gonna make this an unboxing and review to see if I wanna purchase it again. I don't know yet, but we'll see. So I believe this like slides out or something. Hold on. Ooh. Yeah, there we go. So mine was a little bit damaged. You can see the G, it's like missing. This is really pretty packaging all on its own. So that's pretty cool. So here's the box. Ooh. Oh my gosh! Oh wow! I think this might be because I'm new or something. Hi, I'm Drew. I'm the leader of the Papergang. I'm an iron-on patch to make your membership official. Let us know how you're getting on with your goodies using the #Papergang on Instagram. How fun! All right. Okay, oh my gosh, pink! I love pink! Ooh, okay, so there's a bunch of information here as well. That's really cool, but I'm gonna put this one away for now. I'm gonna get into the good stuff. I love the packaging so much. Okay, so this month's theme was New York, and like I said, I really like the colors. I think it's a unique artist that they feature every single month, which means that the style is different every month, which I think is really cool. That's a really unique idea. So here I think Jacqueline Colley, I think, is the designer of this month, or the illustrator. Here says everything it comes with. And there's, oh my gosh, she gets her own booklet. That's so cool. I'll have to read this more later, but that's really fun. All right, so here I think it's just a postcard. This one says hit the town, and it's actually like raised letters. I don't know how well you can see that, but you can feel that they're raised of some sort, and it's like a neon pink with this New York print, which is really cool. Also comes with the envelope, which is perfect. And then we have, oh, that's a month. You can put this like in your planner or put it up on a, I don't know, a board, pin board or magnetic board. You can put the month and you can put the days. So this can be any month really. That's cool. Never seen that before actually. I love that it's pink, of course. There's also a washi tape. You know, I love washi. So this one is a pretty simple one. It has like a tealish background with a bunch of little elements like food, NYC, there's the Big Apple, obviously, taxi. Yeah, very, you know, I haven't actually been to New York. I would love to go one day. And then something that really drew me to the box is this pin. It is a rose gold colored, like salted pretzel. And you can even see like there's little salt things on there. And I just thought this one was so pretty. And I think because it was half off, I think I paid like €6 for this entire box, which is like the worth of this pin alone. So I was like, if I want that pin, I could as well just get the whole box, because I don't know why. I went to the US for vacation this past summer. I didn't go to New York, but I did eat a salted pretzel 2 times in different styles, and I love it so much. So even if I haven't been to New York, I just felt like this pin would remind me of those awesome vacation times I had this past summer, and that's why I really wanted it. So I'm so excited about this one. And then we have here, ooh, what's this? Oh, it's paper. Oh my gosh, I think it might be wrapping paper. But I feel like, because it's kind of thicker than wrapping paper, I feel like it might be 70 GSM, maybe less. Almost like regular printer paper, and it's big. My goodness. Okay, so yeah, it's gonna cover like half my table. So you can really use this for anything. I feel like you can use this for scrapbooking, you can use this to make cards with, you can use this like in your planner, you could do all kinds of stuff with this, or of course you can use it to wrap a gift. But I love getting papers because you can always get creative with it and, you know, make stuff, which I love. All right, and then we have this, which is like a print you're supposed to put up. You can put it, you know, frame it and put it up. It says New York, and then we have the illustration again. I feel like if I ever go to New York, all of this stuff is gonna give a lot more meaning to me. Until then, I'll just appreciate the, you know, creative art and the colors, which I love so much. I believe this is the last item. Yes, this is the, oh gosh, what size is it? I think it did say, is it? It's not A4. It is, oh, it says A4-ish desk pad. That's fun. So it's almost A4. So it says my week, Monday to Friday, and then weekend, and then here it's notes, just blank, and then to do. So this is great. Like, I mean, I use a planner, like a ring-bound planner, to put all down stuff, but this could be just a great overview to quickly jot down things, and you get, it's a bunch. So this one would last a while. And I love these because, like they say, desk pad, it's very good to just have in your desk and easily jot things down as they happen. It doesn't have to look all pretty. I mean, the paper and the design itself is already pretty, so you don't really have to do much with it. But I love this. This is also like one of my favorite items in the box. All right, so that was everything. We have the notepad, we have the print, the wrapping paper, we have washi, we have this little monthly calendar thingy, we have the pin, we have the card, and everything in these beautiful colors. And I have to say, like, a lot of these things, they're really high quality. This card feels very nice. The paper quality is lovely. This pin is beautiful, and from what I can see, really nice quality as well. This thing, I feel like they might have printed like themselves differently from, I don't know where they print these things. But this print is beautiful. Like the print quality of these is quite different. I don't know how well you can see, but this one is a lot more pixelated. So I feel like maybe this is, I don't know if this was even like added as like part of the box, if it's just like a freebie, because if it's a freebie you can't complain, right? Yeah, I don't think it's not even mentioned. So this one is like a freebie, so I'm not gonna like complain about that. I mean, getting free stuff is awesome as it is. So yeah, and I mean, yeah, I love it. I mean, I paid €6, so obviously this is all worth it. I think it's like 12 or about €12 for the box, or 10, I'm not exactly sure. And this month I really loved the theme and the colors. So if there's more months in the future that I like, then definitely I'm definitely looking into buying more of these. I love it. So yeah. So that was my unboxing and review of the Papergang box by Oh Dear, and I believe this was the August box. Correct me if I'm wrong. But either way, thank you for watching. I hope this was somehow useful or just fun to watch. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now!